Bear Grylls Survival Outdoor Equipment is famous among scouts and anyone who wants to own proven and tested survival gear. These gears have a sturdy construction, excellent utilities, functionalities, and above all, the association of the name Bear Grylls. Inevitably, these gears are great options for survival in challenging survival situations. So in today's video, we have come up with the 5 best Bear Grylls survival gears that won't let you down in dire situations. So let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Surviving the unexpected is about being prepared, and the Bear Grylls Survival Bracelet from Gerber is a functional survival tool as well as a fashion statement. This bracelet is made from durable nylon that lets you build a primitive bow, lash together timbers for shelter, hang your food out of reach from animals, and many more to increase your survival chances. This 12-feet bracelet adjusts one hand thanks to an easy-to-use cinch system that keeps it tight. The same system that also makes for easy removal when you need it. Following multi-use ideals, the bracelet includes an integrated emergency whistle for signaling help or alerting others in any survival situation. Weighing in less than 1 ounce, the Bear Grylls Survival Bracelet is lighter than your watch, yet it packs resources to help you fashion a splint, repair broken equipment, or secure a shelter in the field. Packed with survival features, the Bear Grylls Survival Bracelet is the perfect companion for your next adventure. In a survival situation, a solar power bank helps you keep your gears alive. Bear Grylls Solar Power Bank is a fantastic gear that provides essential power to your electronic devices. Packed with an 8000 mAh lithium polymer battery, it has enough power for your phones. For instance, you can recharge your iPhone 2 to 3 times. Its bright and powerful LED light delivers 18 lumens of brightness that can be used as a torch. Also, you can use its SOS mode as an emergency signal in a demanding situation. This power bank comes with a nylon micro USB cable to recharge its battery, while its 2 USB and 1 micro USB port allow you to give some power to your hungry devices simultaneously. It also comes with 4 removable solar panels which can automatically recharge the power bank when faced with direct sunlight, which means you never run out of power. Moreover, its compact size and easy to fold features make carrying this 13.12 ounce gear super convenient. The Bear Grylls Solar Power Bank is an excellent survival gear that can deliver essential power to keep your devices alive and provide needed brightness whenever you need it the most. With several must-needed tools in a compact carrying bag, the Bear Grylls Ultimate Kit from Gerber makes sure you always stay prepared for any dire situation. This gear kit is packed with 16 essential tools including mini light, handsaw, signaling mirror, and many more so that you can survive the most challenging conditions easily. These tools, with their rugged construction, come in handy when you need them the most. It comes with a lightweight ripstop nylon bag with enough space for easy organization and waterproof zippers for weather-resistant storage. This bag is rugged enough that it can withstand any harsh conditions without any problems. Besides, weighing at around 4.2 ounce, it is small enough that you can store it in your pant pockets or your backpack pretty easily. Finally, the Bear Grylls Ultimate Kit also comes with a lanyard that helps it to carry along with your backpack. You may never know when an emergency arises, but if you have the Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Kit with you, you can swiftly tackle any challenging condition. With a user-friendly, simple design and features for precise navigation, the Bear Grylls Backtrack GPS from Bushnell will help you navigate any unknown trails. This GPS can store and locate up to 3 locations with the combination of high-sensitivity receiver and digital technology so that you can explore without fear of getting lost. It features a minimalist LCD grayscale display with LED backlight technology that provides clear graphics so that you can have a clear vision even in the dark. Weighing at around 5.6 ounce, this pocket-sized GPS has 2 user-friendly buttons that are designed for quick and intuitive operation in a survival situation. It operates on 2 AAA batteries, which allows it to run for several days. When you are not using it, the Backtrack will automatically shut off to lessen its battery usage. Moreover, this navigation gear comes with a molded lanyard hold so that you can easily carry it. If you are looking for a GPS that can deliver excellent performance, then the Bear Grylls Backtrack GPS from Bushnell is the right option for you. In the number 1 spot, we have the Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife. This durable knife helps tackle any unexpected situation and can stand in front of the line, taking every challenging task quickly. This knife features a 4.75-inch premium carbon steel straight and serrated edge drop point blade that allows you to cut anything smoothly. You can also attach it to a long stick and use it as a spear. It comes with an ergonomic textured rubber grip that maximizes comfort and reduces accidental slippage. Also, you can use its stainless steel pommel at the base of the handle for hammering. It comes with a military-grade nylon sheath with a sharpener and a built-in ferrocerium rod, which is contained with a watertight holder so that you can quickly start a fire even if it gets wet. This 11.2-ounce knife also comes with a whistle that can be used to notify rescuers about your presence, which is a very neat feature. The Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife is well known for its versatility, durability, and extraordinary performance as a knife, and it is a convenient gear for any survival situation. So that was our list for the 5 best Bear Grylls survival gears just for you. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.